How to block someone on TikTok. Here's the quickest way to do it. First, open the TikTok app. Find the person you want to block. You can either search for their profile using the search icon or open their account from a video on your For You page. Once you're on their profile, tap the share icon in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. Look for block and tap on it. TikTok will show a confirmation message explaining what happens when you block someone. If you continue, that user won't be able to view your profile, watch your videos, send you messages, or interact with your content. Tap block again to confirm. If you ever change your mind, you can visit their profile later and choose unblock to restore access. Blocking someone is a useful way to improve your privacy and avoid unwanted interactions on TikTok. That's it. You've successfully blocked someone on TikTok. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.